Hello, hello! Andito na naman isang OFW na magbabalita sa inyo sa larangan ng showbiz. At ang pag-uusapan natin guys, walang iba kundi ang ating megastar Sharon Cuneta. Balikan lang natin way back 1993 sa Sharon Cuneta show. Mayroong portion doon na it's a Mother's Day na maraming mga katrabaho ni Sharon Cuneta na bumati sa kanya ng Mother's Day at nagpahayag kung gaano kabuting anak si Sharon Cuneta. At lahat yun ay nag-isa na lang ang hindi pumanaw, ang kanyang mama, si Helen Gamboa, and the rest of them are pumanaw na. At kita nila at ipinaramdam nila na kung gaano kabuti at kabait si Sharon Cuneta. At ito naman guys, sa pangalawang portion ay nag-duet sina Sharon Cuneta at ang kanyang inang si Elaine, si Mama Elaine, o si Mami Elaine. Napakagandang tingnan, napakasarap balikan, na parang buhay sa iyong isipan ang mga sitwasyon kung iyong pagmasdan, yung buhay na buhay ang pagmamahal ng ina doon sa kanyang anak. Kaya naman si Sharon Cuneta ay tuwang-tuwa at hindi niya mapigil-pigil ang kanyang luha. Ayan guys, panoorin natin.
Mamita, about your mom. No.
I miss being her baby. Kasi I didn't have as much time with her as I thought I had. I was building her, in the new house also. Parang there's a whole wing for mommy. Mm-hmm. And we've had to redo the plans kasi I wanted her to be with me na.
There was also perception kasi that you were extremely close with daddy.
Oh, that's true.
That's true, no?
I was not as close to my mom as I was to my dad.
Yes,
But
girl.
now, you know what? When my mom passed away, I realized a lot of that was dad's doing. Yung totoo, it's the first time I'll ever say it. Parang there was always competition. It wasn't coming from me. So parang if daddy bought me something, daddy would say, kailangan siya rin kasi alam mo naman, magagalit. Parang ganun lang. And she became very close to Casey, and I'm very happy she had that. On the other hand, I was daddy's little girl. So, but it doesn't mean that I didn't love my mom.
I think people are interested to know. As we talk today, Sharon Cuneta, you are okay, you're liquid.
Right now, yes, I am. A few months ago, when my mommy was sick, until the time she passed away, everything I had was in solid investments, in properties, and mostly real estate and other solid investments. So you could not really dispose of them quickly because they're all pretty high-end. So I can't sell something in the amount of, you know what I mean, not overnight. So for
But you
a
have
while,
been able to do it.
Now?
Now.
Oh, yeah.
Kasi ang sinasabi ng tao, halimbawa, that girl is safe, is secure for the rest of her life because she had a rich father and a rich mother. Klaro po ito. You know, you worked hard for every single cent.
Thing, yeah.
Whatever
and
you have
what my
today.
dad earned, I never felt half of, gusto mong bahay, pagtrabahuan mo, pagawa mo. I've never depended on any man, including my husband. When my mama died, Kuya Boy, I didn't know where I was going to get the next million. It was Casey that saved me.
Really?
Yes. And then, a month after, eto na, sabi ko, ay, parang walang nangyari. So,
When your mom was sick?
yeah, it was an 8-figure bill. It was in the tens of, millions. So, si Casey yung unang, I said,
Nagpuno, ika nga.
siya yung nagbayad.
Nagbayad.
Tapos, nag-ano pa ako, humingi akong deferred payment sa hospital for the last few million. And then, the minute I was able to sell one property alone, dito lang, malapit dito, I asked Casey because she was insisting on paying kahit for a small percentage kasi mita niya. So I said, how much would you like to pay? She said, can we do this? No, I'll give you bigger. I'll give you this. So, binayaran ko siya. Tapos, okay na ako.
Yan ang confession ni Sharon Cuneta nung nagkasakit ang kanyang ina. So yung love ng anak doon sa nanay.
This is Elaine Cuneta. Mami Elaine.
Mama, I want
want you to know you're the best mommy in the world. Happy Mother's Day, Max. Stay here first. Oh, paano? Not disappoint her anymore. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm very lucky to have my mommy for my mother because I don't think there's anyone who can really understand me and love me the way my mother does. And well, I think I've been a good daughter, but my mommy was a very good daughter. She's a very good mother to me and a very good grandmother to my daughter. And I hope Mama you stay with me for the next 100 years, you and Daddy, because if you leave me alone, I'm gonna die. No, and I would also like to say Happy Mother's Day to my Mama Helen Soto. Ma, Happy Mother's Day. I love you very much. And also to my Tita Mina de Rosario. If you're watching na Happy Mother's Day, Ma. Ma, Happy Mother's Day.
In that movie, Forgive and Forget, I portrayed a mother who's very loving. Forgive and Forget, I portrayed a mother who's very loving, very supportive to her. Hindi naman ko masasabing stage mother, pero yung bang possessive. Kung maidi-describe ko lamang ng buong-buo si Sharon, masasabi ko maswerte si Elaine kasi si Sharon yung totoong magmahal bilang anak. Huwag siya magbabago. Basta kung ikaw nagdadasal, medyo isama mo na lang ako sa pagdadasal mo paminsan-minsan. Tsaka hindi mo naman ako makakalimutan. Ako rin, hindi kita makakalimutan kasi pareho tayo ng birthday, no?
The time na ginagawa namin yung movie na oras-oras, araw-araw, well, I really felt like her own mom. Buong-buo ang pagmamahal ko sa kanya. Just before na, this was still, when I was still single, sabi ko pa nga nun, sabi ko, kung bibigyan niya sa akin si Sharon, hindi na ako siguro mag-aasawa because, you know, I love her so much. And, of course, hindi niya ibibigay.
Acting like a mother to her is not acting at all, you know. You feel close to her because of her very endearing ways. Enjoy ako pagkasama ko si Sharon kasi masyado siyang warm. Masarap maging anak. Ang isang kagaya ni Sharon, malambing, karinyosa, and thoughtful, and wala siyang iron.
I would like to commend her for bringing up Casey. Very humble yung bata. She's very unaffected. So, I must say na Sharon really played the role of a good mother to Casey.
Now you know how it is to be a mother. And I don't think you'll be a bad mother. I think you'll be the best of all mothers.
Sana makatagpo ka ng yung totoong makakasama mo na hanggang sa pagtanda mo. Yan. At idadalangin din natin yan sa Poong May Kapal.
Konti pang tibay ng dibdib, you know, as time goes on. I know that she will really come out a winner.
We laughed and cried and loved with them. Always there's a happy ending. But who loves like no other? Who else but your own real mother?
My love for Sharon is something everlasting. Because firstly, I'm a mother. But for me, my kids are my love. I want her to be more concentrated on her work. And maybe one day, the Lord will help you and give you a gift to be happy. Ang wish ko nga lang sa kanya, mamili siya ng gusto na makakasama niya sa buhay. Kasi ang pagmamahal at pag-ibig, hindi na mapibili na sa lapik.